Hello everyone and welcome to Gadgets 360, your favorite place for all things tech. And today we're going to go ahead and unbox a smartphone that a lot of you have been waiting for. Yes, I guess a few of you might have guessed it right. We are going to go ahead and unbox the OnePlus 6. Now before we go ahead and unbox it, be sure to subscribe to the Gadgets 360 YouTube channel and don't forget to click on that bell icon so that you're the first to know when we have a new video. Before we check out what all is in the box, let's see what the box looks like. Well, it's pretty standard. It's similar to all of the OnePlus boxes that we have unboxed so far. And talking about everything that's there on the box, well, it's the OnePlus 6 Mirror Black, and it is the 128GB version that we have here. The box does not reveal a lot of things about the OnePlus 6. All it has is a tagline, I guess, or such, that says the speed you need. So without waiting any further, let's go ahead and unbox the device. Okay, and this is the OnePlus 6, your first look at the device. We'll lift the device up, give you a better look. It's comfortable to hold in the hand. It doesn't weigh a lot, so just boot it up. And keep it to the side, and let's go ahead and check what else do you get in the box. You have the standard dash charger with a USB type A to type C cable, and let's check what do we have here. Okay, so all that you get in the box is a case. It has a smoked effect on it, a SIM ejector tool, and a couple of documents. So you're just going to go ahead and keep that aside because I know everyone's interested in the OnePlus 6 right now. Yes, this is the OnePlus 6. As you can see, it has a notch at the top. Now talking about the OnePlus 6 device, well, the power button is on the right and the volume rocker is on the left. We have seen that the alert slider has been moved. So OnePlus have moved the alert slider from the left of the device where it usually was on other OnePlus devices, right from the OnePlus 3 all the way up to 5T, and it's been moved to the right hand side of the device. And on the left you have a SIM tray slot. So let's quickly go ahead and check what configuration we get with the OnePlus 6. Yep, so it's a dual nano SIM tray. So this is a dual SIM device and has two nano SIM slots. Apart from that, well, at the back there's the fingerprint scanner. Now OnePlus has moved the fingerprint scanner at the back right from the 5T. The 5T had a circular fingerprint scanner, but the OnePlus 6 here has a slightly rectangular fingerprint scanner, and it's actually conveniently placed. Like when you're holding the phone, your hand sits right on the fingerprint sensor, so it should be easy to unlock in day-to-day use. We'll just set it up. I'm going to skip face unlock for now. As you know, the face unlock feature was available with the OnePlus 5T, and naturally it makes an appearance on the OnePlus 6 as well. So quickly go ahead with Google. Everything is set. Applying finishing touches. And yeah. And this is the first boot of the OnePlus 6. As you can see, I think there's a software update that is available. So we've just gone ahead and unboxed the OnePlus 6, and as you can see, we already have a software update. Well, it says that it has the latest security patch, that is May security patch, which is good. It has an added configuration for the notch show and hide. So from the look of it, you can hide the notch completely. And there's camera support for super slow motion at 720p and 1080p. So we are going to download it and install, but I think a lot of people really want to know how the phone is like. Now let's talk about hardware. The phone has a 6.28 inch display and it's an AMOLED panel with HD plus resolution. So you have a resolution of 1080 by 2280 pixels and it has Corning Gorilla Glass 5 for protection. And at the back, it has a dual camera setup which consists of a 16 megapixel primary sensor and a 20 megapixel secondary sensor. The primary sensor has OIS and EIS, which should help it deliver stable video footage. Apart from that, it has a dual LED flash and it has NFC as well, which is right in between these two camera sensors. Now the selfie camera, well, it's present here, it's in the notch, and for those people who are curious, well, it has a 16 megapixel camera which is used for taking selfies and face recognition as well. It does have face unlock, and it has EIS as well, which should help deliver stable video footage. And as a lot of you people already know, this phone is powered by the Snapdragon 845 SoC, which is an octa-core processor with a 10nm architecture. The device will be available in two variants, one with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, and the other with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. At the bottom, the phone has a USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm audio jack, and the loudspeaker. When it comes to battery, well, the battery on this phone is non-removable and it is rated at 3300 mAh. And to charge it up, OnePlus does offer a dash charger in the box. Well, the specifications of this remain unchanged and it is still a 20-watt charger. And you usually get a red colored USB Type-C cable in the box as well. As you can see, the OnePlus 6 has a glass back, and if you want to keep it safe, OnePlus does give you the option of multiple cases, and these are all the cases that you have as an option for the OnePlus 6. As you can see, this is the wood finish one. This is a new texture that they have introduced, a red case, a sandstone finish case, and the one that is the most popular, carbon finish case. As you can see, the OnePlus 6 mirror black with all the case options available for the device. Now, since we've gone ahead and unboxed this device, this is the mirror black version of the OnePlus 6, and we have a surprise for you guys. Yes, that's right, we've got the midnight black color version of the OnePlus 6 as well. As you can see, this is the midnight black. You're just going to keep the box aside. So this is the mirror black finish. This is the midnight black, and that's not all. We've got one more color finish for the OnePlus 6, and that is silk white. As you can see, this is what the silk white variant of the OnePlus 6 looks like. So here are the three variants of the OnePlus 6. Now, based on a couple of other things we know, the midnight black and the mirror black will be available in 6GB RAM, 64GB storage and 8GB RAM, 128GB storage versions, whereas the silk white will only be available in 8GB RAM and 128GB variant. And that was a quick unboxing of the OnePlus 6. What do you think about it? Let us know in the comments below, and stay tuned for a full review coming soon. And as always, for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.